Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have your Gmail been showing that annoying message of storage almost full? Don't panic. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to clear up your Gmail storage, free up space, and keep your inbox running smoothly. I'll show you how to clear large files, remove junks that take up hidden spaces, and keep your Gmail account so that it doesn't get full again. Grab your device. Let's fix that Gmail inbox once and for all. If your Gmail looks like this, storage almost full, then this video is for you. Before we start deleting things, here is one thing you must understand. Your Gmail storage is shared across three things: Gmail, Google Photos, Google Drive. So even if your inbox is small, large photos or Drive files might be taking up space. This tutorial will show you how to check what's using up your storage and how to clean each one safely. Step 1. Check your storage. Go to one.google.com/storage or tap your profile picture. Click on Manage your account, then click on Manage storage. Here, you'll see a breakdown: how much Gmail is using, how much Google Drive is using, how much Google Photos is using. This tells you where to focus your cleanup. If Gmail is the biggest chunk, let's fix that. Gmail stores thousands of mails, but the real problem is large attachments. Use the magic shortcut in the Gmail attachment bar. Attachments larger than 10 MB shows email over 10 megabytes. Larger colon 5 MB shows anything above 5 megabytes. File colon PDF finds large documents. File colon MP4 video attachments that eats space. Select all. Click the trash icon. Go to the trash folder and click empty trash now. Boom! You just saved tons of space. Next, check your promotions and social tabs. These are usually full of newsletters, ads, notifications, random messages you never open. Click the promotion tab, select all, delete. Do the same for social. If you want Gmail to stop putting junk there, tap unsubscribe on newsletters you no longer need. If you've had Gmail for years, then old emails are taking up space without you realizing. Search older_1Y for emails older than 1 year. Older_2Y for emails older than 2 years. Older_5Y for ancient mails. Select, delete, empty trash. This alone can recover lots of space. Google gives you a powerful automatic tool. Go to one.google.com/storage/management. It will show emails with large attachments, deleted files still taking up space, spam, Drive files you forgot about. Just click review and clean up, then follow the prompts. This deletes junks you didn't even know existed. If Drive is eating your storage, sort by file size. Go to Drive, go to left sidebar, then go to Storage. You will see the largest files at the top. Delete old videos, documents, zip files, backups, duplicates. Important: after deleting, open trashing drive and permanently delete everything. Photos take up space than anything else, especially videos. Open Google Photos. Tap your profile pic. Free up space. Google will automatically remove photos already backed up to cloud. Then go to Photos, go to Utilities, go to Review large photos and videos. Delete the necessary ones. If you record lots of videos, this step can free up gigabytes. Now, your Gmail is clean. Let's keep it that way. Here is what to do. 1. Unsubscribe from newsletters you never read. 2. Turn on auto delete in Gmail filters. Example: delete all mails older than 6 months from promo. 3. Regularly empty the trash and spam folders. 4. Use Google Cleanup tool once a month. 5. Avoid sending huge attachments. Use Google Drive link instead. Do this and your inbox will never be full again. That's how you clear your Gmail storage and keep your inbox running smoothly. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Comment below if you want a tutorial on Google Photos Cleanup, Drive Organization Cleanup, how to back up your mail safely. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.